What's the point in using these picture cards for conversation?
The point is that using picture cards for conversation, it makes it a whole lot easier to express yourself in a clear manner and a straightforward manner that people actually understand. And we all know that it actually can be difficult to stand in front of a group and express yourself. You know everybody is listening. But having a card that you use to express through that card, or this picture card, makes it easier, and you tend to forget that there are a lot of people listening to you. So it's a helping tool for that.
Is that something you know of your personal experience?
Yes, I work with, for instance, groups, and I've had a lot of groups where in the beginning, they have a hard time finding the right words. But when we start using the dialogal picture cards, it's as if it unlocks the potential, the verbal potential that they actually have. They forget that a lot of people are listening. They express themselves in a more clear manner. They use metaphors, and we use metaphors every day. If I were to tell you that I feel burned out, it doesn't necessarily mean that I actually am burning inside, but it's a way to express how it feels and makes it even easier for you to understand how I feel. So we use metaphors in our daily lives. This just makes it even easier.
It's hardly a new method. What is the news about the dialogal picture cards?
That's true. It's not a new method. If there's anything new about this, it's the amount of cards. Instead of having only 10, which would be too few, or 250, which would be too many for people to look at one time and then pick your card. You have 58 picture cards, so it makes it easier for you to find the right one for you. That's one thing. The other thing is that we've spent a lot of time researching on what should be the motives, the symbols. Should it be animals? That you have both animals and humans, you have individuals, you have groups, you have black and white, you have colored pictures, you have symbols, and so on. So there's a big variety of symbols among the 58 picture cards.
For what purposes can these dialogal picture cards be used for instance, a company?
A company can use it for setting clear goals, makes it a lot easier for them to express it, but they can be used for a lot more than just companies. We've had priests using them in confirmation preparation. We see teachers using them in schools in their teaching of, for instance, foreign languages. It makes it a lot easier for a pupil to speak through a card instead of standing looking at the teacher doing it. We have coaches using them. We even have a choir that have used them for singing. But really we're not interested in there's only one way of doing it right. It's not us deciding how you should do it. That's why on the website you can write in and let us know this is what I did and it actually worked very well, and get new inspiration from other people using dialogal cards.